Alright, welcome back listeners. Today we are going to look at another interesting video. Remember in our previous video we talked about how we can convert a text string, okay, into an voice note, okay. So we're able to successfully be able to build such application, and we test it and it runs perfectly well. Now today we want to do something more advanced than that, okay. Now by the time this voice note is being echoed or read out, we want it to save it. Okay, we want to save it to what? An audio file. All right, to do that I'm going to come here, import some few library, which is files. Will import gTTS as g as well, so import it as gTTX. Okay, we can also import OX here as operating system. Now after we've done that, next thing I want us to do here, we don't say my query, okay, equals to, I'll just say okay, this video focuses on how to convert an audio, okay, convert a text string into an audio voice using gTTS library. All right, now that we've gotten that, next thing I want us to do here, I will set up a default language that I want us to use. Now when I say okay, default lang as a variable name, I'll set it to what? English. All right, so that while it's reading it and while it's converting it, it should convert it what? To an English English as default language. Now I'm going to define a new variable, call it response. Response is equals to, okay, gTTX. This one should be small g, yes, gTTX like this. Okay, I'm going to say okay, pass it to what? Text, and the text should be equals to what? My query that we have defined, comma. Then next we have what? Language. We set it to what? Our default language. Then lastly we have what? Slow. Now this slow, what it does is that we are going to set it to false, so that it will not slow the the voice while it's reading it, because if we put it true, it will be reading it one letter at a time. So I'm going to set it to what? Fox. All right, then after that, last thing I want us to do before the last line of code, I'm going to say respond, all right, dot save. I want to save this to what? Save it as what? mp3. By giving it this audio voice name, I'm going to call it my audio voice, okay, dot mp3. all right, then lastly I'm now going to say os, all right, dot system, okay, system. Now that's okay, we have what we call start the system. And while you start the system, sorry, I'm going to put it into double quotation, start. And while you start, it should what? Start this particular what? File, which is called what? My audio what? Voice. Okay, it should start this voice note in this manner. So we have gotten this. I'm going to what? Save it. Now that I've saved it, I'm going to run this code. Let's see how it goes. All right, it's triggering error here. The error is triggering here is what I want us to look at. Now you say this is not callable. All right, so what is actually happening here? Sorry, what's actually going on here? I'm going to look at it here. This is the code. I'm going to change this right up. I'm going to say this video focuses on how to convert a text string into an audio voice using the advanced method with gTTS library. Okay, I'm going to save it now. Let's run this code again and see how it goes. Wow, this is nice. See, it has given us a pop-up and audio. Let's listen to what it's going to read.
This video focuses on how to convert a text string into an audio voice using the advanced method. With gTTS library H, this video focuses on how to convert a text string into an audio voice using the advanced method. With gTTS library H, this video
Wow, you see, this is exactly what I want us to do. Remember in the previous video, we were unable to save it to what? An audio. But now we've been able to save it to what? An audio. So if you look at this file here, if you go to my working directory, you see save respond. Exactly with the name we gave it here. Save respond. Okay? So anytime, any day, we can make reference to this audio MP3 voice. If I play it now, you see that it will still what? Play. Listen.
This video focuses on how to convert a text string into an audio voice using the advanced method. With gTTS library H, this video
This is how far we want to go on this particular topic. Remember, this is a GTTech Innovation channel. I urge you to subscribe to my channel. I urge you to comment, share this video, like, and if there's anything you want us to look at in terms of IT related topic, feel free to comment on the comment section. I will make video in respect to that. Thank you.